Amigos, Gracia Lopez here. We are with SB19!
SB19 Justin napatitig at humanga sa English accents ni Josh Cullen. Natuwa nga ang mga 18 sa video na ito ng SB19 sa kanilang interview sa Chicago. Sa video na ito makikita na masayang in-interview sila ni Miss Gracia Lopez. Sa unang tanong nga sa kanila ay kung ano ang kanilang nararamdaman dahil sila ang kauna-unahang first Filipino boy group to perform at Lollapalooza. Kaya naman ang mga boys ay isa-isa nilang inilabas ang kanilang pangmalakasang accents. Si Pinunong Pablo nga ang unang naglabas ng kanyang nararamdaman na tila hindi pa rin siya makapaniwala sa narating ulit na blessing ng kanilang grupo.
First Filipino group to perform at Lollapalooza, how do you feel?
Amazing. Like, I never really thought that I'll be able to perform here on this stage. Hopefully we get to perform on other biggest stages as well.
Yeah.
But then the crowd was amazing, even though it's hot. We could, like, our eyes are all squinted, but you know, we're here and we wanted to perform for them. So it's really.
Next ngang in-interview si Bunso Justin na hindi din nagpahuli sa kanyang cute na accent.
It's really like overwhelming right now because ever since our debut, it's one of our dreams to perform like in this big festival, Lollapalooza. So, since it's the first Filipino boy group, we're the first Filipino boy group. I can't believe it. We did.
At nang si Josh na nga ang nagsalita nang matanong sila about Grammy Museum experience ay bigla na lang napatingin ang apat na si Pablo, Ken at Justin at si Stel naman nakatingin din habang pumapalakpak. At nang nagsalita na nga si Josh ay napansin ng mga netizens ang nakakatawang cute reaction ni Ja habang pinapakinggan ang pagsasalita ng kanyang kuya Josh. Komento ng ilang 18 natatawa umano siya kay Ja dahil nararamdaman niya na anytime na magjo-joke ito. Reply naman ng isa na parang gusto niyang hawakan at sabihing wait lang be, wag ganon.
But earlier this week, you guys were in LA at the Grammy Museum as well. I mean, hello, how was the Grammy Museum?
Oh, it was amazing. Like what they said to Lollapalooza, it's our first time performing there as well. And I just know that it's gonna open more doors right now, especially for us and for the Filipino music. I feel like it's gonna go faster from there on, and I feel like we're ready for the world domination.
Yeah. Who makes the best pancit?
Pancit?
Pancit? Who makes the best one?
If we have time, I think I will cook for them.
Yeah.
I love to cook, and I have the secret recipe for the pancit. Because my lol.
I love pancit and adobo. Pancit and adobo. Oh,
Adobo
listen.
is my favorite too.
Okay,
Adobo,
alright.
chicken
Alright.
adobo.
We're gonna set this up. All right. Well, listen. You guys are also dropping an album very soon. What can you tease? What can you tease your album?
Yeah, I think the fans should just keep on. I mean, like, just stay tuned. We're dropping an album next time. Yeah.